The other one.
Roommate.
Not that one. The other one, the one that you did the first time.
Oh. You okay?
No, not that one. The one that you said.
That
No, not that one. The one that you said.
one.
Not that one. The one that you said you went like this.
You went like this.
Ugh, not like that. Not like that, dude. The one that you opened up your mouth hecka big and you went.
Yeah.
How about the one where you moved your hair like that? No, it's cool.
Fuck
You smell like caca.
What? You smell like shit. You horse shit. You eat horse shit, dude. You're the definition of what cows eat. Fucking manure.
Was that your dad?
Fucking grass smuggler. Border whore. Dude, that's so fucked up, though.
What?
Calling you fucking messed up names.
Yeah. Oh, I really don't care.
Yeah.
That's
Good job, dude.